Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will present our journal article entitled Agrarian Conflict in Oil Palm Plantation Areas, a case study of Indonesia, Riau, and Malaysia, Sarawak, written by Oliver Junarasti and Nadia Kalisa Putri Saif from the Faculty of Law, Universitas Muhammadiyah, Yogyakarta. Introduction. The study examines agrarian conflict arising from the rapid expansion of oil palm plantation in Southeast Asia, particularly in Indonesia and Malaysia. Although the oil palm sector contributes significantly to economic growth, plantation expansion has intensive land disputes involving local communities, corporations, and the state. In Riau, Indonesia, agrarian conflicts are mainly caused by insecure land tenure, overlapping land claims, and weak recognition of customary land rights. In Sarawak, Malaysia, conflicts are closely linked to the governance of native customary right (NCR), where formal recognition exists but protection remains weak in practice. This condition indicates that agrarian conflicts are structural governance problems rather than isolated legal disputes. Research problem. This research addressed three main questions. 1. What are the structural causes of agrarian conflict in oil palm plantation areas in Riau and Sarawak? 2. How do Indonesian and Malaysian legal frameworks recognize and protect customary land rights? And 3. What are the implications of this conflict for sustainable land governance? Research objective. The objective of this study are 1. To analyze the legal and structural factor driving agrarian conflict. 2. To compare customary land right protection in Indonesia and Malaysia. And 3. To identify governance lessons for reducing conflict in plantation areas.
4. Research method. This study uses a quantitative approach based on secondary data analysis. Data were collected from peer-reviewed journals and institutional reports discussing agrarian conflicts, oil palm plantations, and customary land rights in Riau and Sarawak. The analysis applies descriptive and comparative quantitative methods to identify dominant conflict patterns and governance weaknesses in both regions. Next, discussion or key findings. First, structural causes in real agrarian conflicts are driven by insecure land tenure, informal land claims, and fragmented land administration. In Sarawak, conflicts arise from state control over land classification despite the formal recognition of native customary rights. In both cases, power imbalance between local communities and plantation corporations intensify land disputes. Second, legal frameworks. Indonesia recognizes customary land rights under the basic agrarian law, but implementation remains weak due to bureaucratic complexity and legal pluralism. Sarawak formally recognizes NCR, yet state discretion over land allocation undermines customary land protection. Both systems show a gap between legal recognition and effective enforcement. Third, governance implications. Agrarian conflicts negatively affect rural livelihoods, social cohesion, and legal certainty. Weak dispute resolution mechanisms allow conflicts to persist and escalate, highlighting the need for more inclusive and accessible land governance. And last conclusion, this study concludes the agrarian conflicts in oil palm plantations areas in Riau and Sarawak are structural problems rooted in insecure land tenure, weak customary land protection, and unequal power relation. Formal legal recognition alone is insufficient. Without strong implementation, institutional coordination, and participatory land governance, strengthening the tenure security and balancing economic development with social justice are essential for sustainable oil palm governance.